Everyone, can you see my screen now? Welcome to today's Work Backup Day session. Modern backup, Vinchin ensuring business continuity in the AI era. My name is Ethan, and I'm excited to share you how Vinchin is redefining data protection and business resilience in the data-driven world. Let's get started. Here's what we will cover today. The first part, data security and Vinchin solution. The second part, Vinchin's protection architecture and ready cases. And third part, the AI scenarios. And the last part is Vinchin achievements. Now, and the end, we will have an interactive lucky draw and an opening test invitation for those interested in experiencing Vinchin firsthand. Okay. In today's digital world, cyber threats are growing at an unprecedented rate. No industry is immune from logistics to public services, education, and critical infrastructure. Ransomware attacks have caused several disruptions worldwide. Let's take a look at some alarming cases. The first, UK Royal Mail was hit by the notorious Lockbit ransomware. The attackers demanded a straggling 80 million ransom, leading to weeks of service disruptions for overseas express delivery. And next, the Los Angeles Housing Authority faced a system-wide interruption affecting critical public services. And in Japan, the Nagoya Port Terminal, one of the business trade hubs, was forced to suspend all operations due to a cyber attack, bringing logistics to a standstill. And educational institutions are also prime targets. The Tucson Unified School District in Arizona suffered a complete internet outage, severely affecting students and faculty. This instance highlights a harsh reality. Cyber attacks not only disrupt daily operations, but also result in skyrocketing IT costs. On average, IT budgets have increased annually just to counter evolving threats. So how can businesses and public institutions safeguard their data, maintain services continuity, and minimize financial losses? The answer lies in Vinchin's comprehensive disaster recovery solutions. Vinchin's backup solution is strictly following the 3210 golden backup rules. Specifically, to keep your data safe, secure, and recoverable from any disasters happened, it is better to maintain 3 copies of your data on 2 different storage types. And if you cannot accept the data loss and business downtime, your backup solution needs to realize RPO and RTO nearly zero. So for Vinchin's DR solution, firstly, we support offsite copy. You can deploy to Vinchin server both on-site and off-site. Keep one backup data on-site and send another backup copy to off-site location. When site disaster happen, you can either retrieve data from off-site center back to rebuild environment, or directly restore bad data on off-site location to resume business operation as soon as possible. Secondly, Vinchin support directly sending backup data to a wide range of cloud object storage, including WSS3, MS Azure Blob, Safe S3, Wasabi, and other more. This is another useful DR solution. You can retrieve data from cloud to rebuild the environment. Thirdly, the CDP feature enables real-time data backup and real-time data synchronization to the offsite standby server. This helps users be always prepared for disaster recovery by running their business on identical standby servers in an offsite data center with RPO and RTO nearly zero. Our solution is applicable for SMBs, large enterprises, and cloud service providers. For SMBs, we recommend that deploying Vinchin backup and recovery on existing virtual platform. Then the data on virtual machines will be backed up, and you just need to store data in a place outside of the virtual platform, like a NAS device. This will save largely your hardware cost. For large enterprise, or the enterprise with the remote office and branch office, Vinchin is capable of providing backup solutions to PB-level data size environments. You just need to deploy multiple nodes for easily expand protection environment. The node works the same way as the server, and because Vinchin is an all-in-one solution, all the operations and management can be done in just one unified platform. This provides your greatest convenience. Also, there are no extra license fees for the node expansion, so it is a cost-saving solution. Data protection is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Different business needs require different levels of backup and disaster recovery strategies. Vinchin provides a layered data protection architecture that ensures your data is always available, regardless of the situation. Let's take a more detailed overview about Vinchin's backup and disaster recovery solution. As you can see in this picture, here are all the workloads that Vinchin can protect for your business. The supported platforms include marketing, mainstream virtualizations, such as VMware, Hyper-V, Proxmox, and some mainstream databases, physical servers, files, NAS device, and S3 object storages. And Vinchin also support cloud platform AWS EC2 and Huawei Cloud ECS instance. And also some applications like the Microsoft Exchange Server and Exchange Online. Vinchin also provide an advanced feature named CDP for physical servers and virtual machines to realize RPO and RTO nearly zero. For VM backup, it is an image-based agentless backup solution. For cloud platforms, Vinchin's backup solution for AWS EC2 and Huawei Cloud and also the Exchange Online is also in an agentless way. For the physical backup, Vinchin supports application-consistent database backup, physical Windows or Linux server backup, Exchange server backup, and massive files backup. Agentless NAS device backup to protect your entire physical machine system. For the backup storage destination, except for on-premise storage, you can directly send backup data to various cloud storages or copy backup data, archive backup data to the cloud. Additionally, Vinchin supports copy backup data to offsite data center, giving users triple guaranteed data safety, and always being ready for DR and business continuity. Our solution is an all-in-one solution, which one unified web console for centralized management. It is easy to deploy and easy to use. Almost no learning curve for our users to master the backup and recovery operation for your entire IT infrastructure. Let's look at this case. This is about a logistic group solution. At the end of the 2022, for logistic group, some core business virtual machines were paralyzed after being attacked by a ransomware virus, resulting the interruption of 2/3 of the transportation business. How did the Vinchin do to solve this problem? After receiving users' feedback, Vinchin immediately started to instantly restore the virtual machine. Within 10 minutes, the user's core virtual machine returned to normal and the transportation business was fully restored. In the AI age, AI-driven innovations is redefining the industries. However, AI introduces new data management challenges. Vinchin addresses the challenges by offering AI-focused data protection solutions. Artificial intelligence generates an enormous amount of data, from raw training datasets to fine-tune AI models. Losing this data can mean months of lost work and significant financial impact. Here's how Vinchin ensures AI-specific data protection. You can use the file and NAS backup and database backup to secure storage for AI datasets and models. Also, you can use archive and copy feature, which is efficient long-term AI data management for compliance and cost savings. And in some emergency cases, you can use instant restore. It is fast data recovery to minimize downtime and keep AI training on track. By integrating these strategies, organizations can ensure their AI assets remain safe and always recoverable. And for the AI system, AI applications rely on high availability and fast disaster recovery. However, unexpected system failures, cyber attacks, or data corruption can cripple AI-driven services. Vinchin offers multiple strategies to keep AI system running. You can use our CDP feature to realize the real-time backup. It is continuous data protection to reduce the risk of data loss. And the second mode of CDP is primary backup replication. It will ensure AI workloads are mirrored across the environments, allowing seamlessly failover. And also the third mode is failover. The Vinchin server will instantly switches to standby environments to prevent your business disruptions. With all these solutions, business can minimize downtime and ensure AI-powered services remain online. And next, many companies are building their own AI models using platforms like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. However, using live production data for AI training can disrupt business operations and create security risks. Vinchin enables secure AI data flow by using these two methods. You can use backup and restore to seamlessly transfer production data to AI training environments, and it will ensure the model updates without impacting live systems. So this allows organizations to train AI models efficiently while protecting their production environment from unintended disruptions. As artificial intelligence transforms businesses, backup and disaster recovery must also evolve. Vinchin is leveraging AI to create smarter, autonomous, and proactive backup solutions. Here's how Vinchin AI-powered backup will change the future. The self-learning anomaly detection identifies and alerts admins to potential backup failures. The intelligent backup scheduling optimizes backup frequency based on workload patterns. The adaptive backup speeds dynamically adjust performance to minimize system impact. And the automated data discovery classifies and protects new critical data automatically. And the Predictive analytics prevents failures before they happen. Our vision is a fully autonomous backup ecosystem that protects business data with minimal human intervention. At Vinchin, we are proud to be continuously recognized for our innovation and excellence in data protection. As we step into 2025, Vinchin Backup and Recovery has also received multiple awards from Gartner Digital Markets brands, including Capterra, Software Advice, and GetApp. This highlights our continuous effort to provide reliable, efficient, and cost-effective data protection for enterprises worldwide. Vinchin has also been named a strong performer in the 2025 Gartner Peer Insights Voice of the Customer for Enterprise Backup and Recovery Software Solutions. We are one of only two global vendors in this category. This recognition reaffirms our commitment to delivering top-tier backup and recovery solutions. We also offer a wide range of resources, including free trials, technical white papers, and expert consultations, ensuring businesses can minimize their data protection strategies with confidence.